What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I am doing a nail art tutorial for you guys, and if this looks familiar that might be because this is actually the nail art that I did during my recent live stream. I will link it in the cards if you guys are interested in seeing it, but basically you guys picked my nail art design as I was doing it and you guys chose every step of the way, and I feel like we actually came up with a pretty awesome manicure, so I thought it would be really cool to just do a full-on tutorial for it. So if you are interested in seeing this diagonal, gradient, spacey, holographic nail art, then just keep on watching. So for this nail art, I am going to be using my base coat as usual, as well as a white nail polish and 3 colors to do my gradient with. If you guys are interested in specifics, I'll link it down below. I'm also using a stamping polish, my Starly holographic topper, a top coat for stamping, some liquid latex, a regular old cosmetic sponge, and then my collaboration stamping plate with Maniology, formerly known as Bundle Monster. So I'm just going to start off with my clean natural nail and apply my base coat, and then once that base coat is completely dry, I'm going to go in with my white base color. This is something that I frequently do before I do a gradient nail art because it helps all those colors pop, and it's also really good if you're doing multiple colors in one gradient. I have a whole tutorial on gradients. If you guys are interested, I'll put that in the cards as well. So while that base color is drying, I'm just going to apply liquid latex around my nails. This is just going to protect my skin. It is a totally optional step. If you're allergic to latex, you can use tape or anything similar that you find will protect your nails, or you can just clean it up after with some acetone. So now I'm just going to apply my colors onto my sponge in a diagonal pattern. You can just apply it as normally and then hold the sponge diagonally, but since I'm a lazy person and I want to make it as easy as possible for myself, I am just going to go ahead and already make it diagonal so that all of my nails are very consistent with the angle of the gradient. So just using a little pink, a little purple, a little blue, and then I'm just going to sponge that onto my nail. And it is going to take a few coats, especially because these are light pastel colors, but once I am satisfied with how that looks, I am going to just peel off that liquid latex, and then any remainder I can just clean off. But I love the way this looked on its own. I almost didn't want to do anything else to it, but I wanted to continue, so I ended up applying my color Intergalactic by Starly, which is part of my original trio. It's just a nice little holographic topper with little hollow flakies in it. I love that one too. I don't know why I'm like totally off screen with this, but I love the way that looked on its own. But anyway, now I'm just going to take my stamping plate, and I love this cool little like constellation kind of design, and I'm taking my black stamping polish from Maniology and I'm just going to use that. This is the most opaque, darkest, easiest stamping polish to use for me, so I don't want to use any others. I totally love how it looks. I don't know, this is just the best stamping polish. I don't think you need to use stamping polish, but if you do, use the ones from Maniology because those are my favorite. I actually have a discount code with them, I think. If I do, I'll put it in the description. I always forget about it. But anyway, one little trick I like to do is wipe off any excess stamping with tape. You guys may have noticed that, but yeah, then I'm just gonna finish it off with top coat, and their top coat is also really crazy. I swear this isn't a sponsored video, but they did have a crazy top coat that they must have recently come out with because I've only recently tried it, but it's super good. It doesn't smudge your nail art, and I'm pretty much gonna be using it for all my nail art from now on. But anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!